Wake up to the sunrise on Lake Wylie shore. Sandy beach below and vaulted ceilings soar. Chef's kitchen shining, great room full of light. Glass doors open wide to views that steal the night. Spots who called your name, private deck awaits. Luxury like this, it's sealed by the gates. Rosapenny dreams where the water meets the sky. Feel the peace, live the life, let your worries drift by. From the dock to the deck, every inch is pure grace. Your lakeside forever, your luxury place.